Hello students, I welcome you all to the Semstar online learning. This is Muskan Purwar and today I am back with a very interesting topic, that is sound of animals. Children, do you know that every animal use different sound to express their feelings and to do conversation? Children, cats, dogs and birds all speak the same language, but the words used for their sounds vary from language to language. Some animal sounds and verbs are also used in every conversation to mean different things. So let's learn some of the fun new words and their sound. Let's begin. What is the sound made by a dog? Now let's learn the another sound, that is sound made by a cow. Now let's learn another sound made by a cat. Now let's look at the another sound, a sound made by a donkey. Let's learn another sound, a sound made by a duck. Now let's learn the sound made by a bear. Children, now let's learn the sound of king of the forest, that is lion. Now let's learn the sound of horse. Children, now let's learn about another animal, the sound made by a frog. So students, these were the sound made by such animals. Children, wasn't it fun learning sound of animals by hearing their actual sound? Yeah, so keep learning with fun and enjoy. Thank you.